Okay, so yesterday we did approximate square roots. So today you're going to need your list again. So make sure you have your note card available to you. You're also going to need a multiplication chart if you have one, because that would be beneficial for you to use for this particular activity. Okay, so yesterday we found approximate roots. So we found between and then we got close and based on where it was. So today we're going to find exact roots. Okay, so I'm going to be able to pull out some information. Since these are square roots, all of these, I know that a square root is a number times itself, right? So I'm going to go ahead and factor these out using the factor tree method. So can you tell me what are some factors of 24? So if you look at your multiplication chart, what times what is going to equal 24? 6 times 4? All right, that's a good one. Let's do 6 times 4. But we can also factor out these smaller numbers. What can I factor out to 6? 3 and 2. And those are my smallest forms of those two numbers that I cannot factor out. So I'm going to go ahead and factor out my 4. What times what is going to equal 4? 2 times 2. And those are my smallest forms. Now remember I said this is a square root. So I need to find pairs of numbers. Do I have any pairs of number? So I have 2 and 2, right? So since I have 2 and 2, I can pull out a 2. Because one of them is squareable, right? I can pull one out. I can't pull anything else out, right? So my exact answer, what's 3 times 2? Is going to be 2 square root 6. What it is it's 2 square root 3 times 2, or 2 square root 6. Because when I multiply them, I get 6. Okay? That's all you have to do. So we're going to do another one. Some of these numbers are pretty big. Louder, turn around. All right, so let's look at number 2. What numbers can I use to factor out 88? Okay, 11 and 8. Let's do 11 and 8. 11 is a prime number. It cannot be simplified anymore, but 8 can. How can I simplify 8? 2 times 4. Can I simplify 2 anymore? I can simplify 4. What does that become? 2 and 2. Do I have any pairs of numbers? I have 2 2's, right? So I'm going to pull out my 2. And it's going to be square root 11 times 2, right? But I don't want that multiplication, so it's going to be 2 square root, what's 11 times 2? 2 square root 22. That is my exact answer. Easy peasy, right? So you're just taking out your factors, your fact factors. You're pulling out your pairs. Okay, now I want to do one that has more than one pair. Let's see if I have one like that. I don't think any of these do. But let's say, I'm going to give you one that might. I'm going to flip my paper over, okay, because I want to show you one that might have, that you might encounter, okay? So let's say I want to find the exact answer of Let's do the exact square root of 18. Okay. So what would I break these up into? So 2 and 9, right? How can I break up 9? 3 and 3. So I have a pair. What do I have? Okay, it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So my answer is going to be 3 what? Square root what? What's left? 3 square root 2. Okay, you guys got this, right? This is pretty simple. Yes? All right, so let's find one. Let's look at 149. Okay, I'm going to do 149. How can I separate that? Can I divide it by 3? No, it's not even. Can I do it by 2? I can't divide it by 2. How about 9? 149 divided by 9, does that work? Nope. How about 149 divided by 7? Nope. So can I break that down? Is it a prime number? It's a prime number. So guess what my answer is? That's my answer. Okay, so the exact root of the square root of 149 is square root of 149. Andrew, you have a question? Okay, so any questions? So some of them you may not be able to simplify. Some of them you'll be able to find factors of, but their factors are prime and you don't have any pairs. Okay, so there'll be different options for you, but this is all we're doing. Any questions? No? You got this? Question? Not necessarily. 9 is an odd number. It's a perfect square. Okay. All right, go ahead and do your homework.